Welcome to today's video. Today we will discuss about ozone layers. Here's what's in today's video. Introduction. Formation of ozone layer. Ozone hole formation. Effects of ozone hole. Remedies for ozone hole. Conclusion. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects each and every one of us, the ozone layer. You may have heard about it in passing, but do you really know what it is and why it's so important? The ozone layer is a thin layer of gas in the Earth's atmosphere that protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Without it, life on Earth would be impossible. However, this vital layer is under threat from human activities. In this presentation, we'll explore the formation of the ozone layer, the factors that contribute to the creation of ozone holes, the negative effects of ozone holes on the environment and human health, and the remedies that can be taken to prevent further damage. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of ozone. Formation of ozone layer. The ozone layer is formed naturally by the interaction of oxygen molecules with ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. When UV radiation hits an oxygen molecule, it splits the molecule into two individual atoms. These free oxygen atoms can then combine with other oxygen molecules to form ozone 3. The ozone layer is located in the Earth's stratosphere and acts as a shield against harmful UV radiation. Without the ozone layer, life on Earth would not be possible as we know it. The thickness of the ozone layer varies depending on the location and time of year, but it is generally thickest near the equator and thinnest near the poles. Ozone hole formation. The depletion of the ozone layer is a complex process that involves various factors. One of the major contributors to the creation of ozone holes is the release of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, into the atmosphere. These chemicals are commonly used in refrigeration, air conditioning, and aerosol sprays. Once released, they can remain in the atmosphere for decades, reacting with UV radiation to break down ozone molecules. Other pollutants, such as nitrogen oxides and methane, also play a role in depleting the ozone layer. These gases can react with chlorine and bromine, which are released from CFs to form compounds that destroy ozone. The impact of these pollutants on the ozone layer can be illustrated through graphs and charts, which show the decline in ozone levels over time. Effects of ozone hole. The depletion of the ozone layer has serious consequences for both the environment and human health. Increased exposure to UV radiation can lead to skin cancer, cataracts, and a weakened immune system. In addition, it can have harmful effects on crops, marine life, and ecosystems as a whole. Real-life examples illustrate the severity of the issue. For instance, in Antarctica, the size of the ozone hole reached a record high of 29.6 million square kilometers in 2020. This is larger than the size of North America. Furthermore, studies show that if the ozone layer continues to deplete at its current rate, up to 9 million people could develop skin cancer every year by 2075. Remedies for ozone hole. One of the most effective remedies for preventing further damage to the ozone layer is to reduce the use of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. These chemicals are commonly found in refrigerants, aerosol sprays, and foam insulation. By using alternative substances that do not contain CFCs, we can significantly reduce our impact on the ozone layer. Another important step is to promote eco-friendly alternatives. For example, instead of using aerosol sprays, we can switch to pump sprays or roll-on deodorants. We can also choose products that are labeled as ozone-friendly or C-free. By making these small changes in our daily lives, we can collectively make a big difference in protecting the ozone layer. In conclusion, the ozone layer plays a crucial role in protecting our planet from harmful UV radiation. However, human activities such as the use of CFCs have led to the formation of ozone holes, which have negative effects on the environment and human health. It is important for us to take action to preserve the ozone layer for a sustainable future. We can do this by reducing our use of CFCs and promoting eco-friendly alternatives. By doing so, we can ensure that future generations will be able to enjoy a healthy and thriving planet.